Alright, we're out here at 73 Seagull Circle, 80921. Still, we just cabled the line to get that blockage cleared at 79 feet. So we'll drop in here, 0 once again, and go in here and see what we were encountering, if we can. Okay, so did we change material there? Yeah, I feel like we're now in SDR 35. We were in white. Schedule 40 PVC, but oh no, I kind of pipe joint. Kind of feel like this is still white material. The schedule 40 is white. The schedule 40 PVC is white, and the SDR 35 is green, like a mint green, and I can't. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got an issue here. That is gravel in there. So we will do some locating here and see where this is at. I will pause recording while I'm doing the locating. Alright, so we found the clean out, and that is definitely the point of introduction for the rocks that we see in the line here. We'll go ahead and pull out and call it complete. At least as far as my capabilities. Otherwise, the sewer line looks great.